In this video, we will be learning English vocabulary words with meanings and sentences. Utter, utter. She sat through the whole meeting without uttering a word. He hesitated before uttering the password. Collide, collide. Two cars collided on the road. She collides with the tree due to her inattention. Atrocity, atrocity. The atrocity of leaders haunted the town. Her atrocity devastated those who trusted her. Abstain, abstain. The doctor advised him to abstain from alcohol. I tried to abstain from smoking. Intriguing, intriguing. The detective found the case intriguing. She likes to read intriguing stories. Slumber, slumber. His slumber lasted until morning. He was tired, so he went to slumber. Lavish, lavish. He lived a lavish lifestyle. She decorated her house with lavish decorations. Ablution, ablution. He performed ablution before prayer. She performed ablution to make herself clean.